Yeah, little kinfolk stop by. Boy, putting this bitch together, y'all. Shit. Do that again? Shit. Yeah. Ooh. God damn. Boy, that bitch hopped to the side. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Say, boy. Hey, boy. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, you getting close to this motor over here, boy. That bitch hopping to the side. That boy done made that mud Cali corner. Ooh, say yeah, kinfolk. I like that. Yeah, y'all, that my kinfolk Lil Mark, man. He putting his old Delta Welter together, man. He looking good. See y'all, he really ain't want to show it right now, but I told him, man, this is what people like to see, the under construction part, the before and after. See what people got to go through. He done been to the paint. He got his 90 on there. You know what I'm saying? Got his switches on there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's the process. This is what they want to see, kinfolk. Look, got the big boy roof in that thing. Yeah. Got the big boy roof. We by the airport, man. They flying all day. Yeah. Blinkers. Got the pretty blinkers in there. Yeah. This be the process. Next gonna be the insides. You know what I'm saying? Wheels, fifth. Yeah. Grill. Shit. Kinfolk say work hard, play hard. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, y'all gonna see kinfolk out on the boulevard pretty soon.